So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made $2,000 in 24 hours beta testing new business opportunity online. So as you can see over here, I just got the email today. Congratulations team, you made a sale for $2,000. And the best thing is that you keep 100% of the sale. So basically, no, you're not getting 50%, you're getting 100% of each sale you make through affiliate system. So let me share with you the thing that basically enabled me to start generating results. So let's get straight into it. As you can see over here on my screen, right, I'm going to show you how to get $2,000 cash payments. Exactly, yes, $2,000 cash payments. And the most important thing about this is that all the money goes straight into your Stripe account or your bank account. So basically you can use Stripe, PayPal, or your own bank wire transfers. And of course, instant same-day commissions. So no middleman and no waiting. Now, what is the another thing about the system and the opportunity? You see, the biggest challenges in this industry of online marketing, affiliate marketing, work from home, right? Network marketing, whatever you're using, whichever word you're using, or direct sales is this, right? Not enough startup capital. What mostly happens? People buy expensive course and then they find out they have to spend thousands more on running ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, right? They get accounts shut down. They have to spend $1,000 to make $2,000, right? So they spend $1,000 per day to make $2,000 or $800 per day profit. So for a newbie starting out, it's really hard to generate $10,000 commissions per month. Profit, I'm talking about profit, not revenue. So what is the better or best option for you if you're starting out, or even if you have already experience in the work from home industry and you want to have success as an affiliate? You see, most people don't have enough marketing budget to properly run their business, right? Which should be $10,000 per month if you want to have huge numbers, if you want to have $1,000 per day profit, right? So not enough capital to purchase the high ticket products. Another thing is they don't have a steady stream of qualified buyers who are looking at the business opportunity, right? Most people are struggling with leads. They don't have quality leads, and then they don't have quality buyers of high ticket products, right? Now let me tell you this, right? Yeah, you can promote $50 to $100 products, right? But ask yourself, how many sales would you need per day for $30 or $50 to make $1,000 per day? You would need, let's say, 33 sales for $30 per day to be able to make, let's say, around $1,000 per day. And that's not profit, of course, because you have to spend money on ads. So they don't know, also the people don't know how to market to become the attractor factor, which is really important. So you can combine organic traffic with paid traffic, and combine that, you are a powerhouse. Why? Because you can basically promote both ways. It's like a table with many different options, right, to stand. So if you have only one leg in the table and that gets chopped off, like usually with these ClickBank courses, when you get your YouTube ad shut down or Facebook ad gets shut down, your leg on the table gets chopped. And just because you have one leg, the whole table collapses. So let me show you the system that I'm really passionate about at the moment. So how it works? The system works like that. You are getting paid up to 2,000 cash payments. So you can get paid $500 commissions, $1,000 commissions, and $2,000 commissions. And yes, you keep 100% of those commissions. And you can earn also pass up sales as well. So you can make huge commissions with low amount of sales. You can make $10,000 per month, which is really doable for a newbie, with only 5 sales per month. So imagine this, you're making 5 sales per month, or let's say only 1 sale per week, not per day, per week. And you're getting $8,000 to $10,000 every single month. And that's enough money to build up enough marketing budget so you can buy different coaching programs, you can buy ads, you can fearlessly buy, skills, you can buy mentorship, you can buy ads, right? Tools that you need. You can buy a new car, whatever you want to buy, you can do it because you have budget, right? So let me show the email copy that I used that closed $8,000 programs. You can see this is one of the emails that I used for not only my clients, my students, but personally myself to close different high ticket offers online. You know, you cannot use ClickBank copy and paste templates if you want to make high ticket commissions like this. So as a bonus, I'm giving to my people these email copies that closed $8,000 programs. So you only need $2,000 sales, right? But I'm showing you this to show you that it's possible without phone calls, without long ass webinars, right? Without long presentations, it's possible to make money online, and especially to sell to get $2,000 commissions. And the best thing is that the system includes traffic rotator. So you can get basically traffic, solo ads sent to your affiliate link, and the owner of the company, basically the owners do the work for you. So it's really beneficial if you want to make huge commissions online. Now, how to promote? You have two ways. Instant traffic, which is paid traffic, and free traffic. So like I said, I'm going to show you, if you join with me, if you get started with me together, then you're also going to get my VIP bonuses, which I'm going to show you later at the end of this video. But you have paid traffic and free traffic included. Now, what are my bonuses for you? The bonuses for you are $10,000 campaign starter kit. So this is really limited for the first 25 people, because I'm sending out this to my email list, and when I send something out, they get crazy about it because it really works. Once you apply it, of course you need to apply it, it will work. So I have $10,000 campaign starter kit, which will help you to get those hand raisers, right? People to say, yes, show me more. Yes, let me join, right? And then you can make $2,000 a pop. So you will also get my sales funnel for the impatient and bank maximum money with minimum words. So this is basically my templates, not only chat templates, DM templates, Facebook post template for free traffic, organic traffic, right? No money down. And also my top 3 price objection eliminator fence tipper. So basically, I don't know if there is anything more exciting than pressing send one of these fence tippers DMs or texts, and then watching $2,000 commissions or $500 commissions coming in, right, on a daily basis. I had even people who were refreshing their phone, checking through and scrolling, as you'll see later, to check how many commissions they got after using those emails, right, after applying these templates that work really, really well. So my super bonus to you is 10,000 campaign, which is 1 to 3 paragraph email or post for Facebook. It's called T1. So basically this we test, we send out to get a response, to get hand raisers, to get people say, yeah, I'm curious, show me more. And then the second one is starter questions, which get people to join. And of course we have different docs and stuff that really works well when you're applying this for high ticket programs online. So you're not in this alone, there is a whole community around it, so you're not alone, and you have personal one-on-one support, right? So I'm always telling, there are 5 things you have to pre-sell with offers, and after it's follow-up, which needs to be done really, really properly and well, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now let me share it with you over here on my screen so you can see the system. So you can see people just like you generating really huge results. As you can see, $11,000 in my first 3 weeks. The single mom from Australia. Then we have Jared here with $2,500 in a day. So it works really well for newbies. So let me share with you exactly how it works and what you have to do. So here, after watching this video, you will click the link below, 10kmojo.com. You will click on that link and you will be redirected to this page where you will click on the link right below this video, put your name and email or just email address first, and then continue, and you're going to see this page. You'll basically see this page after putting in your email. And what you do is just scroll down this here. You can see our people, right, getting results. And this is the owner of the program, David Deckel. So basically after that, you just click on here, get on the webinar. So you click get on the webinar. And after that, you see the system works very well. You scroll down and you put in your first name, your last name, your email, you have to choose, I'm a new member, I want to create an account, and then just click at the end, create an account. And you're gonna have to receive the email, login details, right? You'll be redirected to the main page where you can basically fill in your details. And if you need any help with it, you can reach out to me so I can guide you through to make sure you are signing up correctly, right? To the correct link and actually correct information. So as you can see, you can reach out to me on Instagram over here. You can reach out to me and ask me any questions regarding to this system. You can also reach me on Facebook, my WhatsApp, and my email, which is all below this video. My social media links below this video. So you can reach out to me and I can show you exactly how to have these kind of results with affiliate marketing, promoting high-ticket business opportunity where you can have support and whole community around you that supports each other to start basically generating huge results. So again, thank you for watching this video, and please, the links are below. So just click the link below this video and reach out to me. You can join the system, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.